Do you use Discord? It's kind of like Reddit. It's kind of like forums and reading and stuff if you're not already on it. If you don't know. I have my own Discord. I tend to spend more time on other people's and read through stuff. I've been on it for a couple of years and been on a few different servers, and some servers are really good and others are it's just too much. Jazz's Discord is complete chaos. It's just thousands of pages, and there are other people like Erotica. I was on hers for a while. It's very the in crowd, in amongst the people that are there and talking, and mostly her friends. And then I was a Patreon to Mimo. I was on her Discord, and I still am. It's a real community. It's a little group of people, and they talk and they chat. They ask about how the dog's doing and so forth. Recently, I've been watching Nat1 videos where he makes crafting projects and so forth, and he has a Discord. And it's another one of these little communities. It's a little place where like-minded people chat and tell you how to do things and what to do and whatever. And some of these Discords quite often will come up with challenges. Erica de Goobers did a drawing challenge where one person drew a picture and then the next person had to take it and draw it, and it went round like a telephone challenge, it was called. I've done Christmas challenges where you Secret Santa. That one's videos, I've been on it about 2 weeks and already they've set a challenge, and it was you had to vote on which one you preferred, a water scene or a vertical, and what's ended up happening is you're going to make a vertical water scene. So that's what I'm thinking about. This isn't it. This is literally a fish tank ornament. I've had it since I had a fish tank, which used to sit there and it was massive. And now I also thought it was really cool. It seemed a waste to get rid of when I got rid of all of the fish tank. So now I'm looking at it and thinking, that could be my vertical waterfall. It's got a wand inside it for some reason. It's always been in there. I'm thinking a cyberpunk waterfall. I saw Tabletop Time did a cyberpunk dice tower, and just the idea, I went, there's an idea, there's some inspiration. I'm thinking cyberpunk waterfall scene, possibly like an electronic-y sort of thing, and we'll see what we come up with. Next big project. To say, I've had a demonstration from an expert. Yeah. You don't pick them up individually?
Well, I am picking them up individually.
You're just using them?
Yeah, and then just, because you're not making it into a roaster, no.
Guess it's my turn. Right, seeing how the expert does it, now give it a go myself. Let's see what I do. To start, only like 9,000 more to go. It's very, very thin, so it should really, but it is fiberglass, so it's super strong. Right, this gets no easier. This is tedious. It's definitely better to do it in hand. Poke that through, isn't it?
1 hour later.
Ah, I got it. Then that will go on top of there. So, I'm just going to manage to get 200 more through. I believe in credit where credit's due. And I've done that one row in the time it's taken the master to do 3. She's on her 4th. I must have tied the end off 6 times, and I'm trying to do it with an actual needle, and it just kept coming undone. So we're up to about 10, only 20. It's going to take me a long time, but Dora is going to take a lot less time. I found the lights that I used for the library when I did the Book Nook library, link up there, more popular videos. And I've got one set of them folded back over themselves a couple of times because they're quite long, and they're wrapped in the middle of this, so it's like that. The glue is dribbling through to there, dribbling through the holes and landing there, and then all the beads keep sticking to the glue down there. And I'm losing a lot of beads, just falling off. It's going to be a very slow process. I've made this a rough template. It goes like that. There. I have a new tool. I don't know how quickly it gets hot.
Several bad puns later.
Got it. You have to really force it. Oh wow, that's quick.
That's what she said.
Let's see if we can cut two into the same shape. It goes on there like that, and then I can get onto the next bit, which is this one. This one goes like, this is one we're making sculptor mould. It's going to fit like this.
Eventually.
Stay, but it's close. I've just had an idea.
Ta-da!
Right, apartment block on the back. These have got to be full. Yeah, knew that was going to happen. The problem is I'm wasting a lot of foam doing this. Okay, so in doing this yesterday, I cut my hand doing the sculptor mould and it's got infected. And I was like, why has it got infected? It just won't, it's itchy and it's sore. I've remembered something, and something I should have remembered a long time ago. I'm allergic to fiberglass. I mean, most people are allergic to fiberglass in some way, but I'm badly allergic. I'm also allergic to vinyl, so I've got latex rubber gloves, so I'm going to wear these. So that's why from this point on I've got rubber gloves on if I'm working with that thing. I'm not pretending to be Michael Jackson. Contemporary reference. There was just so much stuff. All of this, so for that little bit there, is relevant to this. And yeah, I'm not using any of it yet, and I still haven't made any progress. Construction is not happening. All I've done is drill some holes and sanded some bits down and stuck that on there, which isn't even really stuck on there. To make this into like actually useful, make a dice tower, this will go through and this will roll a dice through. There'll be a dice come down there as well, so it's at 2 points. I need to make a channel for the other dice to come down without hitting it. I'll drill a hole here. Right, we have a mark there as well now. Don't think this is going to work. This is not going well. I mean, a lot of my models don't go well, but this is especially not going well. Okay, I kind of wedged that into there. Do this in pieces. Maybe I could open the door. It's not getting hot. Right, weird, it wasn't getting hot. Why is that not cutting through?
Many tic-tacs later.
While I'm doing this, I'm going to just glue this. More things you shouldn't probably do. Glue, hot glue, with cellophane. But we're doing it. Like that. And this goes around that. Okay. This is going very slowly. This goes in there, and I'm trying to work out how to get this to fit. This doesn't cut very well. Helps if you turn it on though. Now I need a bit of a ramp. Brain work, brain. This stinks.
A few moments later.
This is such a fiddly thing to keep going backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. A piece of XPS foam in there because it was easier to cut. My God, there's a difference. I'm sure people have done this before, but this stuff, the smoking before even taking it off, look. Yeah, this is pretty small, but took that long to cut through. Piece of this, same thing. This is like cutting through literally hot butter. Here comes the test. Oh, okay, wasn't expecting that. Hey, but we may as well check this. Pull the cable out and try the switch. Stop. Well, I've discovered something. I'm very allergic to this. I've got this far, I've done all this, I've managed to make the ramp go in, and then, yeah. Just touching it, I've now realised, just touching it is making my skin itch. I'm allergic to fiberglass. I'm allergic to vinyl. Why would I not be allergic to fiberglass? It makes sense. I'm allergic to so many stupid things. That was in the fish tank, and so I never really touched it. Obviously, drilling into it, I'm allergic to rock wool, you know, the heating insulation stuff. I'm deadly allergic. And I always thought it was just the wool, because we've known for years that I'm allergic to wool. But I'm allergic to the fiberglass in it as well, because it's raw fiberglass. I got a sore throat. My hand that I cut yesterday is festering, and there's no reason for it to fester. And I've also got a cut on my back, which out of nowhere just has materialised and is doing the same as my hand. Didn't put it together, that with that, until I did this yesterday, and now suddenly that. And then today I'm fitting these together, and I drilled a hole in the side to fit the ramp in, and now I'm like, so bang goes that idea. So I hope you like this video, watching me almost die. And this thumbnail is not a joke. It literally, didn't come to this conclusion to stop it until after I put the lights in the back and did the tower block and all of that. What to do with these now? Make a jellyfish. Toro loves jellyfish. I will make her a jellyfish.
I shall call him Squishy, and he shall be mine, and he shall be my Squishy.
Well, yeah, I don't know what's going to happen. Watch this space. We may come back to doing this at some other time. I don't think I'll be entering the Discord competition-y thing, and that was just not going to happen. Watch this space. There's more things. I've still got to use the sculptor mold that I made, and birdhouse and other things to do. So, no shortage. But for now, that's going in the bin. Dying. Yeah, I'm going to go and bathe my hand for the 19th time in salt water and hopefully not die. If I'm not dead, please come back next time and watch another crafting project. In the meantime, yeah, if you like this and you want to see me die more, thumbs up. Leave me comments down below. I know it was stupid to not assume I was thinking you don't need to write you're an idiot, I know. And if you're not already and you're part of the 90% of people that aren't subscribed to these videos and this channel, then please change it and make it a better proportion and percentage. Hit subscribe, come back for more making stuff, breaking stuff, setting fire to things, drilling holes in things I'm allergic to. Okay, bye.